see, and you get everything. So let me check. Guys, they're toasty. Let's just let them cool a little bit. Let me finish the avocado. Okay. That looks yummy. Let's chop the pistachio. Just roughly. You can give them a quick roll in the mini chopper before we make the
A
salad.
flash flood warning for the following county: Portage, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for central Portage County in northeastern Ohio until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Ravenna. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen in less than 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ravenna and Edinburgh. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Portage, Ohio.
The products that have, sometimes when you make salad, pieces of something, they tend to go to the bottom. But then you just top your salad with it, just like that.